In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new slide in Microsoft PowerPoint, whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or any project. Knowing how to efficiently add slides is essential in keeping your work organized and ensuring you convey your message effectively. Let's dive into this simple yet important task. First, make sure you have Microsoft PowerPoint open on your computer. If it's your first time using PowerPoint or if it's been a while, take a moment to get reacquainted with its interface once you launch the application. Once you have PowerPoint open, navigate to the particular presentation that you're currently working on, or start a new one if you're beginning from scratch. This is done by choosing Open to select an existing file, or clicking on New to create a new presentation. With your presentation open, we can move on to adding a new slide. Next, direct your attention to the top of your screen to the ribbon of tabs and click on the Insert tab. The ribbon is filled with various tools and features that PowerPoint offers, so don't be overwhelmed if it seems like a lot at first. The Insert tab is your gateway to adding numerous items to your slides, from images to charts, and of course new slides themselves. Once you're in the Insert tab, you'll notice several grouped sections, but what we're interested in is the part that says Slides. Click on the option labelled New Slide. This is the button you'll use whenever you need to add additional slides to your presentation, making it a crucial element for creating a comprehensive presentation. Clicking this button will immediately add a new slide, but PowerPoint also allows you to choose the type of slide you want here. Now let's focus on choosing the appropriate slide layout for your needs. After clicking New Slide, a drop-down menu will appear with various slide options. You'll see different templates such as Title Slide, Title and Content, Section Header, To Content, and many others. Selecting the right layout is essential for maintaining the flow and clarity of your information within the presentation. For example, if you need a standard slide for some bullet points, choose Title and Content. If you're about to introduce a new section, Section Header might be the best choice. Once you've selected the type you'd like, click on it and it will be added to your presentation immediately. And there you have it, you've successfully added a new slide to your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Remember, practice makes perfect, so the more you use these features, the more adept you'll become in creating engaging and well-structured presentations. Thank you for watching, and keep experimenting with PowerPoint's myriad of features to not only build your confidence, but enhance your presentation's effectiveness.